Hello everyone and welcome to this 1 of 10 tutorial for beginners. Imagine being able to look directly into the YouTube algorithm and see exactly which video ideas are guaranteed to blow up before you even spend a single second scripting, filming, or editing. This is the exact power you get with 1 of 10, a game-changing platform built entirely around finding what are called outlier videos to help you reverse engineer viral success in any niche imaginable. Instead of relying on guesswork or outdated keyword metrics that do not work anymore, this tool identifies concepts that are already pulling in massive numbers so you can model them for your own channel. Also, if you want to try 1 of 10 yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start finding viral YouTube ideas for free. For years, the standard advice for a growing YouTube channel was to focus heavily on search engine optimization, finding low competition keywords, and stuffing your tags. But the reality of modern YouTube is that the vast majority of views do not come from your search bar anymore. They come from the homepage feed and the suggested videos column. This means you need ideas that appeal directly to the algorithm's recommendation systems. 1 of 10 solves this problem perfectly for creators, freelancers, and strategists by indexing millions of videos to track outliers, which are videos that perform anywhere from 2 times to 100 times better than a channel's baseline average views. It operates on an incredibly generous freemium model where you can jump in without a credit card to search for these outliers and track your main competitors, while paid tiers unlock deeper historical tracking, niche explorations, and advanced AI suites for generating data-backed titles and thumbnails. To begin uncovering these high-performing concepts, you first want to open the main dashboard. This is where your entire research workflow begins. Instead of starting at a blank page wondering what to make a video about, you can use the core outlier search tool to see what is working right now. When you enter a broad topic, a specific word, or a competitor's niche into the search field, the platform does not just return a list of popular videos with the highest raw view count. This is where many beginners get confused because they are used to filtering YouTube by view count, which usually just surfaces massive channels that get views simply because they have millions of subscribers. Instead, 1 of 10 filters the result by an outlier score, showing you videos from smaller or average-sized channels that completely broke through their normal view floors. When you look at the generated list, you will notice a specific multiplier score attached to each video, like 5x, 10x, or even a 50x badge. This score tells you exactly how much that specific video outperformed that creator's typical upload. If a channel with 2,000 subscribers uploads a video that gets 100,000 views, that is a massive outlier. That tells you the algorithm actively pushed the topic, the title, and the thumbnail concept to a broader audience completely independent of the channel's subscriber base. This is your green light that the concept itself has viral potential and is highly relevant to current viewer psychology. As you browse through these outlier results, a vital best practice is to avoid focusing solely on the topics themselves, but rather you want to look closely at the framing. Look at how the title builds curiosity and how the thumbnail visually supports that curiosity. The platform allows you to click on any discovered video to open a deeper analytical breakdown. Within this view, you can see performance charts detailing how the views grew over time and whether the video picked up instant velocity or steadily gained traction over weeks. This detail can save you a lot of time because it helps you distinguish between a temporary trend that is already burned out and an evergreen topic that continues to pull in consistent passive views for months. Once you find a handful of videos that match your niche and display high outlier scores, you can use the built-in bookmarking system to start building your content swipe file. Saving these ideas into dedicated workspace folders allows you to organize your thoughts by category, style, or production difficulty. If you're operating on a free tier, you can easily save your top discoveries and track up to 3 core channels in your niche to monitor their performance over time. If you decide to upgrade to the basic plan, the platform removes these search restrictions and unlocks the comprehensive competitor tracking dashboard where you can add an unlimited number of channels to spy on. This allows you to see a real-time feed of whenever a competitor lands a major outlier hit, giving you the opportunity to jump on a rising trend before the market becomes completely oversaturated with copycats. Another incredibly powerful area to explore inside the platform is the Niche Explorer. This is where things become really useful if you're feeling completely stuck or want to break into a brand new market. Instead of typing in specific phrases, you can browse through highly curated industry categories ranging from finance and technology to gaming, self-development, and hyper-niche hobbies. The Niche Explorer aggregates all the data within that specific ecosystem, instantly surfacing the trending formats and structural angles that are pulling the highest average views across the entire category. This prevents you from making a common mistake of launching a video with a format that your target audience fundamentally does not care about. At this point, I would like to remind you that if you want to try one of 10 yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start finding viral YouTube video ideas for free. At this time in your research process, once you've identified your winning outlier concept, you want to move from the analysis phase into the actual creation phase. This is also where many beginners get confused because they try to manually guess how to rewrite a viral title to fit their own brand without ruining the original psychological hook. If you are utilizing the Pro plan, you gain access to the dedicated AI suite, which is trained specifically on tens of billions of real YouTube views rather than generic text models like ChatGPT. By feeding your chosen outlier concept into the AI title generator, the system analyzes the exact mathematical patterns and structures of success videos to spit out dozens of high click-through rate title options tailored to your specific channel. The next step is figuring out the visual packaging, because a great title means nothing if your thumbnail does not convince someone to stop scrolling. There is one feature many people overlook within the premium toolkit, and that is the AI thumbnail generator. This tool goes far beyond generic image generation. It allows you to upload a basic rough sketch, a reference image from a successful outlier, or even a photo of your own face, and uses advanced image composition to output highly optimized YouTube native thumbnail designs. It gives you a massive unfair advantage because you can visually test out packaging concept before you ever open up Photoshop or hire an expensive freelance graphic designer. Even if you're stuck on the free version, you can still use their free thumbnail preview tools to see exactly how your designs look across the mobile home feed, desktop sidebar, and search results to ensure your text is completely legible and the focal points stand out against the default dark mode and light mode interfaces. When you are ready to compile everything into an actionable production plan, the best workflow is to take your bookmarked outliers, your AI-generated titles, and your saved thumbnail inspiration and build out a clear content calendar. A major tip for long-term success here is to avoid direct plagiarism. The goal of using an outlier tool is not to copy another creator word for word or steal their thumbnail assets pixel for pixel. The real magic lies in extracting the underlying core concept, the psychological trigger in the title, or the visual contrast in the composition, and then applying your unique perspective, voice, and expertise into it. If an outlier video succeeded because it compared two specific software tools in a highly dramatic way, you can take that same comparative framework and apply it to two completely different tools within your own industry. Before finalizing your blueprint, always cross-reference your ideas using the platform's virality monitoring features to ensure the topic still holds strong momentum. The algorithm shifts incredibly fast, and what was a 50 times outlier 2 weeks ago might be completely flatlining today if the audience's attention has moved onto a newer structural format. By spending just 10 minutes inside the platform auditing your concept before entering production, you save yourself thousands of hours of wasted energy filming videos that never had a statistical chance of gaining algorithmic traction in the first place. To wrap everything up, we've gone through the entire step-by-step process of using 1 of 10 to eliminate the guesswork from your YouTube growth strategy. We covered how to navigate the main dashboard, how to analyze the critical outlier multiplier scores to identify high potential topics, how to organize your discoveries into dedicated folders, how to leverage competitor tracking, and how to utilize the platform's advanced AI toolset to generate mathematically optimized titles and high conversion thumbnails. Always remember to check out the links in the description below to access the various tools and research resources highlighted through this walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.